Hello students, welcome to this YouTube channel. The topic that we will discuss today is Converse of Basic Proportionality Theorem. The statement of the theorem is, if a line is drawn in a triangle such that it divides the other two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line segment must be parallel to the third side. Now suppose that ABC is a triangle in which line segments PQ divide sides AB and AC such that AP upon PB equals to AQ upon QC. In that situation, the line PQ must be parallel to line BC. Now it is given that AP upon PB equals to AQ upon QC. It means line segment PQ divides sides AB and AC of the triangle ABC in the same ratio. It means AP upon PB equals to AQ upon QC. In that case, we have to prove that the line segment PQ is parallel to BC. So to prove that PQ is parallel to BC. Now in order to prove this theorem, we have to draw a construction. So let us assume that the line PQ is not parallel to BC. So there must be another line which is parallel to BC. So we draw another line through point P such that line segment PE is parallel to BC. We draw PE such that PE parallel to BC. So if PE is parallel to BC, then by basic proportionality theorem, AP upon PB is equals to AE upon EC. AP upon PB is equals to AE upon EC. Put it equation 1. Now it is given that AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC. AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC. Put it equation 2. Now from equation 1 and equation 2, the left sides of both the equation are equal. So right sides of the equation will be same. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, AE upon EC equals to AQ upon QC. Here AE upon EC is equals to AQ upon QC. That is AE upon EC is equals to AQ upon QC. Now adding, put it equation number 3. Adding 1 in equation 3. AE upon EC plus 1 equals to AQ upon QC plus 1. Taking LCM on both sides EC. So AE plus EC, on left side AE upon EC, AE plus EC upon EC equals to AQ plus QC upon QC. Now AE plus EC will give AC upon EC, which is equals to AQ plus QC will give AC. Now in this equation, numerator on both sides of the equation are same. So this AC and AC will cancel out to give 1 upon EC equals to 1 upon QC, which will imply EC equals to QC. It means EC equals to QC. This light segment EC equals to QC. It means that Q must coincide with E. So which is possible only when point Q coincides E. Since EC equals to QC, EC equals to QC, and both E and Q are two distinct points, but EC equals to QC, so this is possible only when the point Q coincides E. And in that situation, line segment PQ will coincide line segment PE. So line segment PQ coincides PE, and since PE is parallel to BC, so PQ will also be parallel to BC. Therefore, PQ is parallel to BC. So we can prove that if a line segment PQ divides two sides of the triangle AB and AC in the ratio AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC, then line segment PQ will be parallel to BC. So this is all for today. We will very soon meet in our next video. Till then, thank you.